on, Jeans? Hello, my friends. I just wanted to come to you with a quick unboxing without the box. Because this was a little bit of a pain in the ass to bring out. So it's a show and tell. You see this? What's that? Looks like a mid-pipe to me. And a muffler? Here, let's open this. What do we got here? Oh, what's that going on, guys? Yeah, got the new exhaust for the CBR. I'll have it installed shortly and we'll have another video up. First startup and a ride. Do a ride with it. But anyways, it's a Del Kevic exhaust. SS70. It's a 9-inch muffler. It's just a slip-on. I figured with the single it wouldn't matter much. But supposedly about 4 horsepower gain and about 12 pounds of weight reduction. So as I told you, that exhaust is a little too quiet for my liking. So alright guys, see you on the next one. Peace.